Hi friends and welcome back. So again today is a favorites video. I posted a few weeks ago my drugstore favorites video and you really loved it. And yes, I do love me some good drugstore products all the time. But today I will share also my high-end, more expensive beauty products that I think are really worth actually mentioning. Now before I will start with the products, I must say that yes, some beauty skincare products nowadays can be super expensive, but if there is one thing I love more than buying fresh makeup, new makeup or skincare products, is if I get those on sale. Nothing beats a good sale. And my little helper here that I also mentioned before on my channel several times is ShopTagger. I'm really happy to again collaborate with ShopTagger on this video as well. ShopTagger is really my little helper. It's just the best free website and app that you can use to kind of track all your favorites from different websites. Maybe you like a dress on ASOS, maybe you like some accessories on Harrods, maybe you like some skincare products from Cult Beauty. You have all your favorites in one place and then you get notified when it goes on sale. So that's just a win-win situation. So to get started, you just need to sign in, create an account. You can even use a Google account or Facebook, download the tag button that will appear on the right upper part of your browser, and then you just go shopping like you normally do online. If you find something that you like, you save it, specifying the size, the sale percentage, the color, and you will have it in your ShopTagger little account, and you will get notified when it goes on sale, or maybe when it comes back in stock, or maybe when that color that you wanted comes back in stock. So that's super convenient. You can also organize everything in lists. So that's perfect if you want to have a place just for dresses, a place just for shoes, a place just for makeup, so that everything is nice, organized, and you can find easier the products that you already saved. Another feature that ShopTagger has right now, which I'm really excited about, is their coupons. They already have lots of coupons on their website, so you can find it in your ShopTagger account, but also ShopTagger automatically will show you any available coupons when you check out, when you already want to buy something, so that you can save some extra money. So I bought many things through ShopTagger. I recently actually got a dress as well that was on sale, and I also had 20% off on top of the sale, so that was a fantastic buy. I will share that with you later in a whole video, but yeah, I'm super happy to work with them again. It's a website, it's an app that I absolutely love, and I think that everybody should try it. So I will leave the in the description box the link to ShopTagger, so definitely give it a go. And now let's get started with the products. A brand in general that I absolutely adore, from the more like I would say they're more of a mid-range, they're not super expensive. It's Bare Minerals, and I love all their foundations that I tried. So I tried the stick foundation, I tried the BlemishRescue, I tried the original foundation, I also have Mineral Veil. Fantastic products and so worth the money, especially because you get so much product. With mineral foundation you just need a tiny little bit and it goes such a long way, and it's something that I wear on a daily basis. This is my favorite foundation, like everyday kind of foundation. I can make it sheer and have that super light, like radiant kind of coverage that you kind of don't have anything on your face, but you do. And I can make it also a more like a full coverage foundation. It's amazing. And also the stick foundation. This one is definitely a bit more, it's not, you will get through this faster because it's a stick foundation and it's super creamy, but you will enjoy wearing this on your face. I promise. I really love this foundation. And I was never into like super creamy kind of stick foundations, but this one is the one that I recommend. Also, I like the ingredients that they use. It's all more like a clean beauty. It's really good for your skin as well. And with the original foundation, it lasts for probably 7 hours of me without moving or getting like cakey and stuff like this. BlemishRescue is a great one, especially when I have blemishes, or for example if I have my period and I know that something will appear like soon. I always get the BlemishRescue because it has a bit of salicylic acid in it, and this is just an all-rounder kind of foundation. It's radiant, it's hydrating, it looks just amazing on the skin and it looks like skin. all these foundations look like skin. The Blemish Rescue is a bit more matte, but still, the more you blend it on your face, the more you blend it like into your skin, it becomes kind of creamier in a way, so it's still fantastic. I highly recommend these products from Bare Minerals. They're my favorites. A concealer that I wanted to share with you that again I loved using for many months now, probably like a year now. It's the creamy concealer, matte creamy concealer from Nars, and this is my shade Vanilla, which is light 2, but I do have some other shades for when I'm tanned, when I'm a bit more paler. Just fantastic again. It kind of melts into the skin, but it gives a lot of coverage. For example, the liquid version of the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I said foundation? It's concealer. It's more, it doesn't give me as much coverage. Still has a lovely texture, but I don't know, I think I prefer this one more than the, how like in the tube, that concealer, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I like the Radiant Matte Concealer more, even though it's not super matte, but I also like to use this underneath the eyes and also on my blemishes, or maybe discoloration that I have around my eyes, or maybe just on my face. It's brilliant, it's really good, and I think it's totally worth the money. Now moving on to some lashes. These lashes basically kind of made me love lashes again more, even though I like lashes. I'm a lash fanatic, or whatever you want to call this. I love having lashes for any kind of eye makeup look because it just makes the eyes like pop instantly. It gives more definition, makes your eyes a bit more, I don't know, just sophisticated in a way, and I just love lashes. That's it. But I discovered a lash brand that has been around for a lot of years probably right now, but I discovered them just right now because they're quite expensive. So these pair of lashes was like 30 pounds, something like this. So it's really expensive for a pair of lashes, and I'm wearing these lashes right now. These are the wedding lashes from Lady Lashes, and I got these, I bought them on Beauty Bay here in the UK, the Beauty Bay website. These are so pretty and remind me of some old lashes that I used to wear probably 2-3 years ago, like super full but at the same time kind of spiky, and they give you that definition and that, you know, intense black color, but they're not extremely fake and kind of plasticky looking. These look really good in my opinion. Or when I look at my eyes, these look really amazing. So if there is a lash brand I would recommend, it's definitely Lily Lashes. I also have a highlighter that I would like to mention, and surprise it's a cream liquidy one. It's the iconic London highlighter. This stuff, it's just the best highlighter ever. I like to use this on my face, I like to use this combined with my foundation, I like to use this underneath my makeup, maybe combined with a bit of moisturizer. I like to use this on my body. It's insane on the body, or with some body butter or some body oil. It's just, I love this palette for many months now. It's the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. Surprise. I'm not really a fan of Huda Beauty, not really products, but her palettes, eyeshadow palettes, because I tried in the past some eyeshadow palettes that were not really good, so that kind of put me off a little bit from the brand. But this one, it's amazing, and I really like the shade selection here. I like how all the shades blend, how they apply. The mattes are super creamy and super pigmented. You also have like a concealery shade in here, which I don't use very often. However, it's not bad as a base underneath your eyeshadow, eye makeup. You have these gorgeous like glittery shades that I absolutely adore, and you have two more chunky glitters in here that I don't use very often, but if you want, you can use them. I mean, they're not unusable in a way. I'm moving on to another foundation that I discovered again probably a month ago, and it stays like on the same level with my Bare Minerals foundation. but it's just a different kind of formula. It's the CC cream from It Cosmetics. I have two colors, one for when I'm pale, one one for when I'm a bit more tanned, or sometimes I can, you know, combine the two. But again, gives you a lot of coverage, but looks natural, looks like skin. It's quite hydrating, but at the same time it's not super dewy. It kind of sets a little bit on your face, and it's just a super comfortable product to wear on your face. Like a super comfortable foundation product, CC cream. And for that reason, I like to use this again for any kind of occasion. If I go somewhere and I need to have like a full face of makeup, if I go somewhere and I need to have more like an everyday, very sheer coverage kind of foundation on top, or just to even out my skin, I can do this. And I also like the fact that it has SPF. And that's it. That was really fast, I hope. Let me know if you tried any of the products, and yeah, I know some of these are quite expensive for what they are, but they're worth the money. But if you can get them on sale, it's even better, I hope. So I will see you in my next video. Take care.